Cars have shaped history, culture, and even our dreams. Today, we're counting down the top 10 most legendary cars ever made. From classics that changed the world to hypercars that broke every limit, these are the machines that left their mark forever. At number 10, the Tesla Model S Plaid. With mind-blowing acceleration and cutting-edge technology, it proved that electric cars can be faster than almost anything on the road. It's the car that made the future arrive early. Number 9, the McLaren F1. Launched in the 1990s, it was the fastest car in the world for over a decade. With its unique center driving seat and engineering perfection, the F1 is still considered one of the greatest cars ever built. At number 8, the Porsche 911. A car that has been in production for over 50 years, constantly evolving yet staying true to its DNA. It's a perfect blend of performance, design, and legacy, an icon that never dies. Number 7, the Nissan GT-R, also known as Godzilla. This Japanese powerhouse earned its nickname by destroying supercars that cost 3 times more. With incredible all-wheel drive technology, the GT-R became a legend of raw performance. At number 6, the Toyota Supra MK4. Loved by tuners, collectors, and Fast and Furious fans alike, the Supra is more than just a car. It's a cultural icon. Its bulletproof engine and racing reputation make it unforgettable. Halfway down our list, the Bugatti Veyron, the first car to break the 400 kilometers per hour barrier, redefining what a production car could do. It's not just speed, it's engineering taken to the extreme. Number 3, the Ferrari F40. Built to celebrate Ferrari's 40th anniversary, and the last car personally approved by Enzo Ferrari himself. With its raw power, aggressive design, and racing spirit, the F40 became a symbol of pure driving passion. At number 2, the Volkswagen Beetle. One of the most recognizable cars in history, with over 21 million units sold worldwide. Simple, reliable, and beloved, the Beetle became a global symbol of mobility and freedom. And finally, at number 1, the Ford Model T. The car that put the world on wheels. Introduced in 1908, it was the first mass-produced automobile, making cars affordable for everyday people. The Model T didn't just change the auto industry, it changed history itself. Your subscription is more than a number, it's my dream.